Welcome back. I'm Hazel, an IT auditor, and today we're diving into how to turn your IT audit career into real wealth. It's not just about earning more, it's about shifting your mindset and seeing your skills as assets. We're trained to analyze risk and controls for clients, but what if you applied that same rigor to your own career and finances? In this video, I'll show you the roadmap from mastering your craft to building side hustles, starting your own firm, and investing smartly. This isn't about shortcuts, it's a strategic long-term approach to financial freedom. Let's get started. The foundation of wealth in IT audit is mastery. Don't just be competent. Become the go-to expert in high-demand areas like cloud security, data privacy, or cyber risk. Specialize, anticipate industry trends, and invest in certifications like CISA, CISA, or cloud security credentials. Take on challenging projects, seek feedback, and keep learning. When you're a true specialist, you're not just an employee, you're a strategic asset. This expertise lets you command higher salaries, better contracts, and opens doors to new opportunities. Mastery is a continuous process, not a one-time achievement. It's the bedrock of your wealth strategy. Build your leverage here. Once you're an expert, you face a choice. Climb the corporate ladder or go independent. The ladder means aiming for leadership. Audit manager, director, even CISO with higher pay and influence. Or become a contractor or consultant, selling your expertise directly and often earning double or triple. Contractors enjoy flexibility and control, but must manage their own business. Both paths can lead to wealth. Choose the one that fits your goals and lifestyle. Be intentional, architect your career, don't just drift. The right path gives you leverage and freedom. Decide where you want to go. Stop trading all your time for money. Monetize your expertise. Package your tools, templates, or checklists and sell them online. Create online courses, CISA prep, cloud auditing, or niche skills. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or newsletter to build an audience and reputation. These assets generate passive income and scale far beyond your hours. Side hustles diversify your income and boost your personal brand. Build once, earn many times. This is how you create leverage and financial resilience. Ready for the next level? Start your own audit or consulting firm. Serve small and mid-sized businesses that need expert guidance but can't afford big firms. Offer services like virtual CISO, SOC 2 readiness, or penetration testing. Start solo, then hire talent as you grow. Shift from technician to strategist and leader. Build a business that generates revenue beyond your own hours and can one day be sold. This is how you turn expertise into a scalable, valuable asset. High income is just the start. Make your money work for you. Invest consistently in low-cost index funds or ETFs for long-term growth. Explore real estate for cash flow and appreciation. Consider tech venture investing if you want higher risk and reward. Build smart habits. Live below your means. Automate savings and track your net worth. Consistency and discipline are key. Don't try to time the market. Smart investing turns income into lasting wealth. Make every dollar count. Build influence. Your personal brand is a powerful wealth multiplier. Speak at conferences, publish articles, and share your expertise online. Your content builds authority and attracts high-value opportunities. Influence leads to consulting gigs, board roles, and even book deals. Consistently provide value and build relationships in your field. Become the go-to expert people think of in your niche. Influence protects your career and accelerates your wealth journey. That's your 6-step roadmap from IT auditor to true wealth. Master your craft, choose your path, monetize your knowledge, build a business, invest smartly, and grow your influence. Each step builds on the last. This is a journey you control. The demand for IT audit skills is higher than ever. Seize the opportunity. Ready to start? Hit like, subscribe, and comment Wealth Mindset if you're committed. Let's build your roadmap to success together.